Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Arya and I'll bring you the news for all of you. As of yesterday, 13,831 new corona cases reported all over India. Total number of active cases was 1.62 lakhs. As of yesterday, 104.82 crore Indians got vaccinated. Five states which account for almost 50% of cases are Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Mizoram. Yesterday in Kerala, 7,722 new corona cases reported. In Mumbai yesterday, 327 new corona cases were reported. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Italian Prime Minister Mario Draghi and the top leaders of the European Union in Rome on Friday ahead of G20 summit on Saturday. India and Italy are likely to come up with a joint document on energy transition which will form a cooperation in non-renewable energy. Scorching speculation over the BJP Chief Minister face in UP election in 2022. Home Minister Amit Shah on Friday announced that if the people of India want Narendra Modi to return as Prime Minister in 2024, then they must vote for Yogi Adityanath as Chief Minister in 2022 UP election. People of Maharashtra who want to go on international vacation will not have to wait for mandatory 84 days time between the two doses of Covishield. Bombay Municipal Corporation informed that all international passengers will be now allowed to take second dose of Covishield after 28 days from the first dose. Maharashtra reported the highest number of suicide across the country in 2020 as per National Crime Record Bureau. As per this report, 13% of the total Indian suicide cases were reported in Maharashtra in 2020. Stock market continued to decline on Friday and BSE Sensex closed 678 points below the previous day close and closed at 59,306 points. Foreign portfolio investors continue to sell in the Indian stock market and on Friday they sold equities worth 5,142 crores on Friday, while the domestic institutional investors bought the equities worth 4,342 crore from the Indian stock market. Reliance has informed that they will start selling smartphone from Diwali at a special price of rupees 1,999. The actual price of this smartphone is 6,499, but the customer has to pay upfront payment of rupees 1,999 and balance in equal monthly installment of 18 to 24 months. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.